Hyundai Motor Group's new Metaplant in Ellabell, Georgia, has officially begun production of the highly anticipated IONIQ 9, a fully electric three-row sport utility vehicle. This milestone is part of Hyundai's long-term strategy to boost electric vehicle manufacturing in the United States, right in the heart of Georgia. Just 2 years after breaking ground, the first IONIQ 9 units are rolling off the assembly line, signaling a major shift in Hyundai's United States operations. The Metaplant has been designed from the ground up to support advanced production technologies, integrating artificial intelligence, real-time data systems, and robotics to streamline everything from logistics to final assembly. The IONIQ 9, with its family-size proportions and all-electric powertrain, marks Hyundai's commitment to growing its presence in the American electric vehicle market. It is being built alongside the IONIQ 5 at this cutting-edge facility, with production capacity expected to hit 300,000 vehicles annually. By 2026, the first KEA model will also be assembled here, broadening the plant's output even more. The plant's design also puts a major focus on the people who work there. Wide open workspaces, natural light, and team hubs in the middle of production zones aim to create a positive and collaborative atmosphere for employees. With continued investment pouring into the site, including clean hydrogen trucks for parts delivery and an on-site ecological park, the Metaplant is more than just a factory. It is a blueprint for what next-generation manufacturing can look like in America. If you are excited about the IONIQ 9 and the future of electric vehicles, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss out on any updates.